Drill beat knocking in this concrete tomb. Yo, city sleep.
Hey guys, I have good news for you. As you've seen in the title, yes, we finally have Suno at home. And the best news? It is open source. For the longest time, high-fidelity music generation has been locked behind closed doors. But today we're talking about HeartMuLa, a new family of models that doesn't just copy the big players, it actually reconstructs the entire pipeline from scratch. I'm going to break down how this beast works, why the 7B parameter version is a game changer, and show you a custom tool I built, HeartMuLa Studio, that lets you do things even Suno struggles with. First, let's talk about what makes this tick. HeartMuLa isn't just one model. It's actually a full ecosystem of 4 components working together. At the core, you have HeartCodec. This is a high-fidelity tokenizer that compresses audio into discrete codes. What's crazy is that it operates at an ultra-low frame rate of 12.5 Hz. Why does that matter? Most music models run at 25 to 50 Hz. By dropping this to 12.5 Hz, HeartMuLa can model much longer sequences way more efficiently without losing that crisp audio detail. It uses a semantic-rich encoder that combines whisper, wail, and their own MIDI encoder to understand both the lyrics and the music vibes simultaneously. Then, the actual generation happens via a hierarchical architecture. First, a global transformer plans out the song structure, the big picture stuff. Then, a local transformer fills in the fine details, like the texture of the instruments and the voice. This split approach is how they managed to keep the song coherent for up to 6 minutes. Oh, training this wasn't easy. They used a massive data set of about 100,000 hours of music. They didn't just throw data at it though. They used a 4-stage progressive training method. Warm-up, to learn acoustic textures on short clips. Pre-training, scaling up to full songs to learn structure. Supervised fine-tuning, polishing the quality with high-quality subsets. And DPO, direct preference optimization. This is the secret sauce. Instead of just guessing, they used reinforcement learning to optimize the model based on what actually sounds good to humans, improving vocal clarity and style adherence. The paper introduces a 3 billion parameter model, which is definitely usable and impressive for its size. But here is the reality check. If you want the Suno killer quality, the 7 billion parameter model is where it's at. The scaling laws hit hard here. The 7B version is just way better at understanding complex prompts and keeping the song musical. However, I didn't just stop at the base model. We managed to train some custom LoRAs low-rank adaptations for this system. And honestly, the results are shocking. These custom LoRAs have a really good capability to follow the voice and keep it consistent. I'd argue that in terms of voice consistency, what we are seeing here is potentially even better than Suno. You can lock in a specific vocal timbre, and it just holds it perfectly across the track. Obviously, running raw model code is a pain. So I built a solution for you guys. I created a repository called HeartMuLa Studio. It's basically an all-in-one interface to run these models easily. I've set it up so you can load the models, swap in these custom LoRAs I mentioned, and start generating full songs right on your own hardware. No credits, no subscriptions, just open source goodness.
Drill beat knocking in this concrete tomb. Yo, city sleeps, but the streets awake. Chrome gleam shimmer, no time to fake. Black tuck tight under the coat. Heard he talking loud, about to choke. Low frequency rumble, feel it in your chest. Another op down, put his soul to rest. No remorse, just survival code in this concrete jungle, gotta unload. 808 drill the anthem of the block. Spin the barrel, never ever stop. Red dot dancing, playing hide, seek another body dropping, hear the concrete creak. 808 drill the soundtrack to the pain. Watch the blood away in the pouring rain. No surrender, grind until we rich. Leave them in the gutter, in a bloody ditch. Used to dream of mansions, now I dream of peace. But the demons haunt me. G-U-N. Yeah, this for the hustlers. From Southside Queens, where the chrome gleam. Fifth the name, money making my dream. Started small time, nickel and dime. Now platinum plaque stacking high sublime. Bullet wounds healed, but the scars remain. A testament to pain, a lyrical hurricane.
Okay.
Shady aftermath, the
Seems like our song is generated.
dynasty. I see no changes. All I see is racist faces. Misplaced hate makes disgrace to races, and that's how it's supposed to be. How can the devil take a brother if he's close to me? I'd love to go back to when we played as kids, but things change, and that's the way it is. Come on, that's just the way it is. Come on, that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same.
I've left the link to the HeartMuLa Studio GitHub in the description below. Go start the repo, try out the 7B model if you have the VRAM for it, and let me know in the comments if you think this is finally the open source revolution we've been waiting for. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.